This is the final update of this hurricane. So, as you know, it's now a tropical depression, which places us here. I forgot to put on the music. I'm sorry about this. A bit loud. Yeah. So, yeah. As you know, this hurricane, pretty much was a bad hurricane, but now we're just going to talk about all the floods and pretty much as far there are like still floods in here, right here, over here, and this is going up. Probably still floods over here too. These are gonna last for like weeks. So there is a support thing over here. Probably still loading. Surprised it go to 200. So here's part where the pictures of the what Hurricane Matthew did. Here's more pictures. Okay, here's 5 minutes after a picture. Copy the address. I put that in the description. After the hurricane, this is the what the hurricane did to the land. So I feel bad for these people.